Ever wondered how to make $800 per day or more online? In this video, I'm gonna reveal an amazing method for earning $800 per hour and show you how it's possible for anyone to do it. I'm gonna show you how you can get paid $800 per hour for your time. So if you're sitting at home, thinking to yourself, is there anything I can do to make money? The answer is yes. So don't miss out, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's jump to our today's video. Finally, the big break you've been waiting for. You can work from home or anywhere in the world to make $800 per hour by assisting with your feedback using Winter.com. Winter gives feedback from target B2B customers. Companies use it to discover what their target B2B buyers think and want, and how messaging is resonating with them. Winter helps shape how leading companies in the world do their marketing. Industry-leading B2B companies use Winter to nail their marketing and product messaging through customer research and message testing. You'll be invited to give feedback on different websites, creatives, or sales copy. One survey takes 1 to 15 minutes. After every survey, they pay you $10 to $200, depending on the survey type and requested audience criteria, which means you can get up to $90 to $800 per hour. To get paid, you can choose between different options: gift cards, Visa, and PayPal. They are accepting applications from all countries. The application process is simple. Click on the Become a Panelist button, fill in the onboarding form, and submit it. You just need a computer. You must be at least 18 years old. Native or proficient in written English. Currently employed. An active LinkedIn account with an up-to-date professional profile. After your profile gets verified, you'll start receiving survey invitations to your email as soon as a Winter client requests feedback from people with your professional profile. Test requests are client project dependent and asynchronous. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.